Hey guys, in this quick video I'm going to compare the Microsoft Planner with Clickup, and I'm going to show you some important things that you need to know about both of these tools. So primarily I'm going to show you the big difference. The big difference is how many features the Microsoft Planner has. The Microsoft Planner is really limited, and if I would have just a really small project with 1-2 people, or just like not a lot of tasks for the project, it's simple, you're not going to solve a lot of issues. You don't need reporting. In that regard, the Microsoft Planner can be effective. You have like a Kanban board here, like to do, progress done. Then you get also the grid view where you can add a task. When I'm going to click here information, I can see like a bucket, progress, priority, start date, due date, repeat. Really simple tool. Now, the one benefit of Microsoft Planner is that you can just connect it with other Microsoft products. In that regard, big thumbs up. But that's it, right? Now, when we are going to look here even further for the ClickUp here, with the ClickUp on the other hand, let's just look here. Just everything is so full, so you're gonna have also the board here, but even that looks like better. You're gonna have just a list of things, but what I can do, I can add multiple columns. That's something that you don't have. Or if you can have like phone, files, and you can make it as complex as you want. So if you're looking for something more feature rich, then the ClickUp is way to go comparing to Microsoft Planner. So here when I'm going to have a task, right, I'm going to open it. Now I have a task here and I have like status, dates, time estimates, assignees, priority, and you can add like multiple columns here, like multiple properties. And in that way, like ClickUp is way complex, and even the views here. So just compare the view here. So here you're gonna have the boards, charts, schedule, project, and that's it. You don't have much here. On the other hand, with ClickUp, you're gonna have like the activities, the whiteboard, the mind map, the map, the chat, the embeds. You can connect it with other, integrate with other tools. And in this regard, the ClickUp is dominating completely Microsoft Planner, but this is my perspective. But of course, if you're using Microsoft Project, if you're using Microsoft To Do, if you're using it with Outlook, with other tools from Microsoft, in that regard, the Microsoft Planner can be effective and good. But other than that, I don't know if I would recommend it to you. So if you're looking for something more complex. Now, I hope this really quick and effective video gave you a little bit of value. I just wanted to give you this like surface level of understanding between these two platforms, which one is better for what, but just from the perspective of complexity. And if you want to have like a bigger project, then ClickUp is way to go. If you want to look for something simple, then Microsoft Planner is also good for it, for simplistic things. And yeah, so let me know below in the comments what do you think about both. Thank you very much for watching and have a great day and goodbye.